App Freight Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. App Freight is a major player in shipping and logistics, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is fixed and opaque. The surprising truth is that App Freight offers customized pricing based on shipment size, weight, distance, and speed of delivery. For small businesses, rates start at around $2 for standard that less than truckload shipments under £500. You won't believe the flexibility App Freight provides: options for expedited shipping, guaranteed delivery times, and additional services like lift-gate pickup or inside delivery, which are priced separately. Large shipments or full truckload services are quoted individually. Most people get this wrong by assuming heavier shipments are always more expensive. They don't consider volume discounts, loyalty programs, or negotiated business accounts that can lower costs significantly. In conclusion, App Freight pricing is scalable and tailored. By understanding the variables weight, distance, speed, and that it services you go from zero to pro in planning shipments efficiently, ensuring you pay for exactly what you need without surprises.